Atlanta used to be the railroad hub of America, where it brought together the Atlantic and the Western Railroad lines. When transportation shifted from railroad travel to cars and airline transportation, this land was no longer used for railroads. A gentleman from Georgia Tech University for his master's thesis came up with the idea of the Atlanta Beltline, creating a walking path which connected various cities in Atlanta using the existing unused railroads. Today, you can see it as the Atlanta Beltline, where it connects a number of downtown neighborhoods where you can use it for walking, biking, scooting, you name it. So if you're in Atlanta and you're thinking of something to do, I highly recommend the Beltline.